Hey guys, how's it going? So I am back today with another hair review. So today's hair review is going to be a DIY black to color. So we're going to do like a little bit of a kind of mixed color, berry color. We're going to do some blue, purple, and pink. So we're going to have to go ahead and bleach this unit, which I'm going to go in right now with my Prism light and my 40 volume developer. So I'm going to just bleach this one in each section. I'm not going to do anything specific. I'm just going to ombre it as much as I can. I'm going to do a processing time of about an hour for the complete head. And after an hour, guys, I did get this really weird brassy color. Mind you, the purple bag of the Prism lights tells you that it does not give you this kind of orangey brassy look, but I did get that. So I'm not sure if it's the hair that just didn't process that properly or if it's the bleach, but this is the result I got. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going in with the Adore. So I'm using 3 different colors, and I'll list the colors down below for you guys. I got these colors from the beauty supply store for about $3.99 a bottle. Very inexpensive. So I'm going to do the blue at the top, I'm going to do the purple in the middle, and then I'm going to do the pink at the end. So I thought I did a great job. I kind of did it some mixed areas in the back. In some sections in the back, I decided just to go in and just do it fully colors, like streaks of pink and purple. But overall, I think, you know, color mix wise, it's fun. It's not the neatest, you know, perfect color mix. I wish the bleach would have went a little bit lighter and it processed a little bit better. If that was the case, it would have just gave me more of a color mix. But I do think that this is still very, very Of course, I have to go ahead and style this unit for you guys. So this unit, guys, is 20 inches, super long, 180% density if I did not mention that already. So this is what the wig looks like once it's placed on my head. I did go ahead in and just glue this down overnight with the Got2b glue. It's nothing, you know, too crazy, something you guys seen before. I will try to tag in the card section a video on how to put your units down with the Got2b glue. So basically what I'm going to do is just open this up, make the part nice, curved part. Now this is a 13x6 closure wig, guys, so, or frontal wig, shall I say. So you do have a good bit of parting space. I didn't go ahead and do crazy baby hairs. I just pulled some hair out and just made it look really clean. One thing about the frontal for me, it's just not as, you know, dimensional as I would like. You really have to put a lot of work into this frontal. So I did just a little bit of work. I did go ahead and just do a little bit of deep waves. You guys know how the deep wave set goes. I'll insert down below all the products I use, including this amazing deep waver and a video that's related to the deep waving style that I usually do. But overall, guys, I think this is super duper cute this way. So this is a finished look of this unit right here. So this entire video was a trying ass video just because the coloring process this time did not go as planned. So this unit, guys, was actually sent to me from Yolissa hair. So this is a 20-inch unit. It's 180% density. This is a medium cap size, and this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig. So I did show you guys a cap construction in the beginning of this video. Everything showed you guys all the tea and all that kind of stuff. So this unit, one thing about these companies from AliExpress, I just want to put this out there for everyone, especially for my beginner friendly type of people that do not know how to customize units. So from these types of AliExpress based companies, even when you buy the bundles from them with the frontals and stuff like that, the frontals or the closures never come custom. So with these types of units, you're going to have to go in and customize it to the T. So for this one, I did not bleach the knots. I did a little bit of tweezing and just kind of showed you guys the parting space, which is tremendous. This is a 13x6, so you're going to get a lot of parting space. It's about 6 inches of parting space. And you'll get a lot of area around the perimeter and sides too. You know how sometimes on the sides right here cuts you off, but you get like a good about a 3 inch on the sides. Now, With this unit, guys, I only tweezed a little bit of the perimeter. I didn't want to over exaggerate the tweeze just because the knots weren't bleached to begin with anyways. And when the knots aren't bleached and you try to go crazy tweezing it, then then the wig starts looking a little bit cray-cray. So I decided just to pull a few pieces of hair off the front just to open the perimeter. I did show you guys with the hot comb, just separating the baby hairs away from the scalp just to give it more of a natural, realistic look. Now this time around, I did glue this unit overnight with the Got To Be glue. So it's just Got To Be glue that I put on this one. I wanted to kind of see how this unit did for a few days. So this is day 2 with the unit on. When I did wash this hair and bleach it, I was going for like a tri ombre style kind of cotton candy mix. Now, like I said, it's always trying with hair, especially when you're starting with hair that's black. You got to bleach it, then color it. Now, my mistake was probably using the semi-permanent Adore. Semi-permanent Adore doesn't really work. The best thing I've ever used after dyeing hair from black to blonde and then adding color was the Manic Panic. So I'm probably gonna have to next time try this one more time and use Manic Panic. For me, Manic Panic works very, very good. The Adore is semi-permanent. It's a great price, great deal, but it doesn't give you the full color blowout that you want, and I really wanted that full color. So sorry guys. So I'm not saying that this didn't come out that great. I think this is super duper cute. I did go ahead and amplify the waves because obviously the wave pattern that I got after washing it wasn't as poppin'. So I did go in with my deep waver, which I'll leave down below for you guys just to amplify it up. This definitely gives me fun summer vibes. Even though I'm like in my late 20s, it's okay to wear like a little bit of colored hair. It's no big deal. Definitely gives the hair a little bit of fun. So what I tried to do, guys, is do blue at the top. I did purple in the middle and then the pink at the bottom. Obviously the pink is probably the only thing you can fully see. I will turn around and do a 360. You'll get the full color in the back. You kind of see the dimensions. I kind of feel like some of the hair was blonder than the other, and I did wait 10 minutes in between processing, so I don't know why that didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. But like I said, it's trial and error. I'm gonna try it again. Not saying that this didn't come out cute. This is definitely still cute, but I want to do more color and more fun, so I'm gonna test it out one more time. I did use the Prism Lights purple bleaching powder, and that one's supposed to give you dimensions of blondes, but I don't feel like it gave me that many dimensions. So I'm going to either say it's maybe the hair or it's the way I process it, but I've been processing hair for years now, so I don't really feel like it was a bleaching job that I did. Sometimes when you get the hair, sometimes the hair will take bleach very finely or will take bleach very well, and sometimes you honestly have to do double process bleaching. I honestly and truly feel like this is the type of hair you're gonna have to bleach twice, and I just didn't want to do that. So I said to myself, let's bleach it once, let's see how it goes, and just add the color on. So that's what I did. So overall, guys, I think it came out good. Shedding and tangling, not so much. Yo, tangling, honestly and truly, that happens all the time with this type of hair, especially if you're gonna deep wave it. So I do see like a little bit of tangling, but shedding, didn't get too much shedding with this one at all. I do think it's a really nice unit, guys, volume-wise and everything. I would do an up close to show you guys the perimeter. Like I said, I didn't go crazy with parting space or tweezing or anything like that, just because I was like, you know what? It's not bleached, it's not, fixed that right in the front. So let me just do something very minimal for people that are new to this kind of stuff. Like I said, when you're buying hair from these types of companies, they do not customize it for you. So this video was the easiest customization. I just pulled a few hairs out the front and made my baby hairs, and that was that. So guys, I hope you guys found this video fun. I don't know if I should say this was a fail video. It was almost a fail. The color didn't come out too well. I really had bigger plans for the color, but overall, I think it came out fun. It's cute, something nice to wear. I hope you guys can see some peaks of the purple and blue in it. Obviously, it's laid in the front and stuff like that, so that's all that matters. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Yolissa Hair. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.